Hello students, I am teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. In the previous video lectures, we have finished with exercise 3.1 and 3.2 of the lesson differentiation. Now today we will be doing the next subtopic of this lesson differentiation, and that is derivatives of logarithmic functions. Now suppose you have, say, y is equal to f of x raised to g of x. Correct? Even the power is a function of x. Then in such cases, we cannot use the rules that we have studied till now. In such cases, we have to use the derivative of logarithmic functions. Now this will be studying in this subtopic. Also, when you have, suppose y is equal to f of x into g of x, if it is a product of just two functions, then you can use u into v formula. But suppose there is one more function, h of x, or you have y is equal to, say, f of x raised to g of x, and again in the denominator also you have something, say, h of x into, let us take some other alphabet, say m of x. Such complicated functions can be derived using the derivatives of logarithmic functions. Now before actually starting with this derivatives of logarithmic functions, let us revise the rules of logarithm. Let us revise rules of logarithm. Now this actually you have already studied in the lower classes. We are just going to revise the rules. Suppose you have log of m into n. Now log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log of n. Right? Then another one is for division. Log of m upon n. This is equal to log of m minus log of n. Right? Then you have say log of m raised to n. There is a power of n to m. Then this can be written as n into log m. This power comes for the multiplication. Then we have also studied the log of a to the base a is equal to 1. And this is also equal to log e. Log e is also always equal to 1. So these are some rules of logarithm which we will be using while simplifying the derivatives of logarithmic functions. Now let us start with directly with the exercise 3.1. As we proceed, you will understand how to solve these derivatives of logarithmic functions. So let's move to exercise 3.3. So let's start. Exercise 3.3. First question. Find dy by dx if first sub question is y is equal to x raised to 2x. Now see over here x is raised to x and raised to 2x given. So in such cases we cannot use the usual derivative formulas. So we are going to make use of the logarithmic function. What you will do is, we'll taking log on both sides. Log on both sides. So what will you get? Log y is equal to log of x raised to 2x. Now just now we have seen log of m raised to n is equal to n into log m. Correct? That is the logarithmic rule. So over here what happens is, this LHS will keep as it is. Log y is equal to, you will get log x, and this power will come for the multiplication. So you get x raised to 2x into log x. Are you getting it? Now you can simplify this because this becomes your u and this is your v. But again u is x raised to 2x. Correct? So we'll have to first differentiate this x raised to 2x using again the logarithmic function. So we'll just write this as, now differentiating with respect to x. What will you get? Derivative of log y. Now derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log y you will get 1 upon y. But now this is again a composite function. See, x is replaced by y. So you will derive the log function first and then you have to derive the y. So you get derivative of log will be 1 upon y and the derivative of y. So it is dy by dx. Getting? Now this side, this is u into v. Your u is x raised to 2x and v is log x. So first function as it is x raised to 2x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x raised to 2x. Now you can see this derivative of x raised to 2x. This is f of x raised to g of x. So in at the beginning I told when you get a function something like this, again you will have to differentiate this with using the logarithmic function. So we'll keep this step just on hold as it is and we'll first find the derivative of x raised to 2x. So we'll say let u is equal to x raised to 2x. So now differentiate, or first we'll take the logarithm, taking log on both sides. On both sides you will get log u is equal to log of x raised to 2x. That is log u is equal to 2x into log x. Now you can differentiate this 2x into log x using u into v formula. And this side log u. How will you differentiate log u? It will be again like this. Over here we did. Your log y was 1 upon y into dy by dx. So here you will get 1 upon u into du by dx. So let us write that. So we'll write differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, this is your u into v formula. So 2x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of 2x. So you get here 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to 2x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of 2x. That is 2 you will keep as outside and derivative of x will be 1. So you get 2. So again x you can cancel. You can take 2 outside and you get 1 plus log x. Correct? And this side now you have 1 upon u. We want to find du by dx in this formula over here. We have to find out dx of x raised to 2x and x raised to 2x we have assumed to be equal to u. So we need only du by dx. So what you can do? Take u on the other side. Therefore you get du by dx is equal to u into, from these two terms as I said we will take 2 common. So you get 1 plus log x. Now resubstitute the value of u. What is u? X raised to 2x. So you get du by dx is equal to x raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus log x. That is d dx of x raised to 2x is x raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus log x. Now substitute this value of d dx of x raised to 2x in equation 1. So we'll write substituting two in 1. Here, so we have 1 upon y into dy by dx. So this y also we'll need to take it on the right hand side at the end. So you get 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to x raised to 2x into d dx of log x will be 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x raised to 2x. But what is the derivative of x raised to 2x? We have found out over here. It is x raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus log x. Now we'll have to take y on the other side. So you get dy by dx is equal to y into x raised to 2x upon x plus log x into x raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus log x. Correct? Now resubstitute the value of y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is y? Y is your given question. X raised to x raised to 2x. So you get x raised to x raised to 2x. Now from this also x raised to 2x you can take common. So into x raised to 2x. So inside here you will get 1 upon x plus log x into 2 into 1 plus x. That is 2 you can write here. 2 into log x into 1 plus log x. So this is your final answer. That completes your first sum. Bit lengthy sum, but these are important. This can be asked for 3 marks. So let's move to the next sum. Start the second sum. Y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. Now as usual, first let us take the log on both sides. So we'll write taking log on both sides. So you will get log y is equal to log of x raised to e raised to x. Now log of x raised to e raised to x. So this exponent e raised to x will come for multiplication. So we'll write log y is equal to e raised to x into log x. Now we know the derivative of e raised to x. So no need to again, like how we did in the previous sum, u is equal to, no need to do that. Directly you can find the derivative over here. So differentiating with respect to x. What will you get? Derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. Correct? Now this is u into v. So e raised to x into d dx of log x plus log x into d dx of e raised to x. Correct? So you get, let us keep this as it is, dy by dx. Now e raised to x into derivative of log x will be 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of e raised to x. You know it is e raised to x only. So you will get, now you can take e raised to x common from both these terms. So this side you get e raised to x into 1 upon x plus log x. Correct? So now let's take y on the RHS. So what will you get? dy by dx is equal to y into this term, e raised to x into 1 upon x plus log x. Now resubstitute the value of y. What is y? Y is your question. Y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to x raised to e raised to x into this e raised to x into 1 plus x plus log x. This is your answer. Final answer. Let us start with the third sum. Y is equal to e raised to x raised to x. So again, as usual, let us take the log on both sides. So we'll write taking log on both sides. What will you get? Log y is equal to log of e raised to x raised to x. So bring this exponent to for the multiplication. Therefore log y is equal to x raised to x into log e. But log e is equal to 1. So this is nothing but x raised to x. You can write since log e is equal to 1. Correct? So what you get now only log y is equal to x raised to x. Right? So we say, now again over here you can't differentiate x raised to x directly. So we'll write this as 1 and we'll differentiate this x raised to x first. So we'll say let u is equal to x raised to x. Now taking log on both sides. What will you get? Log u is equal to log of x raised to x. So that is log u is equal to x into log x. Correct? This power will come for multiplication. Now you can differentiate. X into log x will be u into v formula. So write down differentiating with respect to x. Log u. What will be the derivative of log u? 1 upon u into du by dx. X into log x. So x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x. So you get 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x into, what will be the derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. So here, so x gets cancelled, you are left only with 1 plus log x. Now take this u on the other side. Therefore du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. Now resubstitute the value of u. Therefore d dx of, what is here u? U is x raised to x. So d dx of x raised to x is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. With respect to x. So what will you get? Log y. Derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. And this side we have got x raised to x. So that is d dx of x raised to x. Now we have found a derivative of x raised to x. So you can substitute. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is from 2. So now we substitute the value of y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is your y? Y is your question. E raised to x raised to x. So e raised to x into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is your final answer. So that completes your first question. I think we'll stop over here. The third question we'll be doing in the next video lecture. So till then, keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Goodbye.